welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be doing a cleaning video, a refrigerator or fridge clean out. I haven't done one of these in a very long time, I'll be honest. Most of the time it's my mom cleaning the refrigerator out, but I thought, you know, I'll go ahead and clean it out. I wanted to actually clean the refrigerator out and go grocery shopping, but my mom, she went grocery shopping. She's actually at the store now, so I thought that I would clean out the refrigerator before she gets back, because, you know, putting groceries in a dirty refrigerator or unorganized refrigerator, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it out. It's not like dirty, like horrible dirty, but there are things, like most people, that, you know, we keep in there that we forgot to throw away. Jars of stuff that we've opened and just kept it on the side of the refrigerator. Things that are like nothing's barely in there, so we need to throw it away, you know, stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you guys some things. First, I'm gonna show you what we have in the refrigerator, and then you know, throw some things out, throw some things in the garbage or whatever, and then we're gonna clean. I actually don't have a lot of cleaning supplies right now. I just texted my mom to get some cleaning stuff, but like I said, it's not like horribly dirty, right? So I don't need to like do some like really hard hand work or elbow work or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna just clean it with some soap and water. You can never go wrong with just some pure soap and water. So let's see what we have in our kitchen. Wait, in our refrigerator. Okay, so let's start off with the door, the side of the door. So we have a bunch of creamers, and we have some mustards and relish, and some, I think these are like jalapeno peppers. Listen, I love cream. I love cream. I love cream in my coffee. So I tend to have, like, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 things of creamer. So yeah. And then we have salad dressings, mayonnaise, jelly. There's some whipped cream, more dressing, salad dressing. Oh my god, we got a lot of salad dressings. And more cream, of course, more mayonnaise. This is, I don't know what we use this for. I don't know, but so yeah, that's the side of the door. Down here is my mom's medication right there, and then some olives and pineapples that I never opened, which I need to. Up here we have the cheeses. This is where we keep our cheese, or like little small condiments, like extra salad dressings from salads that we order and things of that nature. Then, whoo baby, okay, so we have, actually this is Chinese food that mom just got yesterday, this and this, so that's fine. I know I can throw this away. I can throw this away. That's like lunch sandwiches, I think, and like leftover food. This is some wine. This is butter, iced coffee that I made. And then here, this I definitely can throw away. This is something, oh, you guys seen that stuff that I made, the pepper steak that I made. This was in here. This is some lunch meat back here. I know that can go. I think there's some green beans that needs to go. That needs to go. That's pretty much leftover food. And then this is the bin where we keep all of our cheeses and dairy stuff. Open onion things that I cooked with, bell pepper. I made some banana pudding a while ago, and I kept that in there. Yogurt, I think I never even opened. Oh my god. Salad dressing, I mean salad that I never opened, I don't think. These are muffins that I made with a dinner before. Oh my god. I think this is mashed potatoes and some other stuff. I think there's some stuff for my mom, her medicine or something. And then my daughter's Go-Gurts or whatever those are. And then in the bins we have, it's not too bad, onions and, ooh, I need to clean that out. And then more cabbage and sweet potatoes. Yeah, so we're gonna clean all of this stuff out. Okay, so I am going to get some garbage bags and start taking stuff out that we don't want first. And then, or actually I'm gonna take everything out and put it on the counter, and then kind of divide everything up to where it's going to go in the garbage, and then what we're going to keep and things of that nature. And then of course all the containers and stuff I'm going to throw in the dishwasher. I'm actually washing dishes now, but I'm glad because I cleaned out the sink, so that way I can just throw all the extra Tupperware stuff in here, and then just wash those later. Okay, so let's go ahead and get step one out the way and take everything out of the refrigerator. Oh, disclaimer. Okay, so I don't have a bra on. I do not have a bra on, so if you see some things hangling, dangling, just mind your business, okay? This video is not about that. It is about the refrigerator. Don't be looking necessarily at me, okay? I am at home in the comforts of my own home, okay? So I'm comfortable, all right? That is my son over there. He is playing the game. But anyway, yeah, let's get to it.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah.
Okay, so you guys seen that I took the things that we're not going to keep, that's going to go in the garbage. So I do have a trash bag right here of things that is going to go in the garbage. And so these things up here and in here and on the side are the things that we're going to keep. As you can see, everything is pretty much bare in this refrigerator. So I'm going to take all of this out and all of this so that I can clean. But these are pretty much the things that we're going to keep. Everything in here, all of this, and then food over here. So let me just take everything out now. Oh, and look at the sink. Well, that was already here. But yeah, I'm gonna have to finish taking the muffins out of here and then put some water in the pan so that it can make this soft. Because if you ever try to clean like cornbread or something out of a muffin pan or a regular pan with no like moisture to it, it's hard. You have to scrape. So I put water in my pans, let it soak up the you know, rest of the you know, all this, let it soak it up so it can make it soft, so I can just clean it all out really easily. But yeah, and I'm gonna have to wash all these things out. But anyway, let's get back to taking all of these things out. What do you want, little one?
What's this mess in here?
What is this mess? I'm cleaning out the kitchen. I'm sorry, I'm cleaning out the refrigerator. You want to help me?
Yes.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love.
All right, so as you guys can see, I have cleaned everything out of the refrigerator. It may not look like it needs cleaning, but I'm going to show you guys up close, like the, you know, filthiness or dirtiness of it. It's not horrible at all, like at all, but you know, it can use a little bit of water, soap and water. So okay, so I don't know if you guys can really see. You see the dirt, you know, see there, all that dirt right there. And then it's some dirt down here as well. And then, you know, here on the sides, you see all the dirt or whatever. So that's what I'm going to be cleaning. All that over there. See all that dirt up there. All up there. And then on the sides as well here. And then this is a major. You guys can clearly see that. Ugh. And then this was not bad at all, but we can wash that out. So yeah, I'm gonna take these out and start cleaning. So I forgot to show you guys, so this is everything that I took out that was on the side of the door right there. These are all of the dressings and condiments and things like that. Josiah, there's a box in the bathroom. Where else does she keep the wipes, Josiah? You know this. And then over here was some other things that was in the refrigerator that we of course are going to keep. And then the lovely dishes that I'm gonna have to clean. So it's pretty much, you know what the thing is it's not that bad, right?
There's no stuff in there. There's no wipes in there.
There's no more wipes?
No.
It's not that bad. It can be way worse, but it's not even that bad. Like, I don't have anxiety right now because it's not really that bad. So I'm glad. Because if this was like tons of food and this refrigerator was like completely trashed, I just would have said throw the whole refrigerator away. Okay, so I'm done cleaning everything out. I have washed everything out, as you guys seen. So here is the results. So nice and so clean. Focus, focus, focus. Really? Doesn't want to focus. Okay, there we go. Okay, so here we go. Everything's so nice and so clean. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job, Mommy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You got cheese.
Oh, this is all clean. I wiped down the rails and everything. You guys see.
Cheese, everything, the sword.
Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to put
Good job, Mommy.
everything back. I'm going to try to organize it in.
Good job, Mommy.
Thank you, honey bunches. Even though you didn't help me and you said that you would. Anyway, I'm going to try to organize things so that it's better, you know, looking in the refrigerator. And then my mom just actually came back from grocery shopping, so that should be fun to see the groceries. And wait, we're not ready. We're not ready yet. Mara, we're not ready yet. Come on. Give me this.
Milk.
Thank you so much.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, so I put everything back in the refrigerator. Okay, so here's the reveal.
Let me see.
Woo!
Yeah.
Okay, so some of it I have in like a organization style, and then some I just put in here because, like I said, my mom just went to the grocery store, so I'm gonna rearrange things once the other groceries are in the refrigerator. But on this side, I put all the creams at the top. Okay, so I was watching somebody's vlog like a long time ago, and I think they were adjusting their refrigerator, and they said that you should put things that, oh, what did they say? It's about the side of the refrigerator. You should put things that you rarely don't use in the front where you can see it so that you can use it, if that makes sense. So, like if you put a lot of things down here, sometimes you tend not to use it and you forget it's down there. So if you put it up here, it's in your eyesight to use it, right? So salad dressing, I put the salad dressing down there because you can't really forget about it if you eat salads, right? So I put that down there. That's my mom's medicine right there. And then I put the canned goods here. So remember I had the pineapples down here, and a lot of times I forgot to eat them. So I put them up here where it's in my eyesight so that I can remember to eat them. It's kind of like a little trick so that you won't waste food, really. And then I put all of the, like the jellies, the relish, the mustards in this little section right here. And then, like I said, I put the creams up here. And I put the butter and the cheese in here because sometimes the butter can get lost in the refrigerator. We can't find where it's at, or it's behind something, so we just put it here. We know that it's right there. And then I put my mom's food back right there, the Chinese food, the coffee in the back, and the wine, and then the deli meat. And I put all the cheeses and stuff back in this little container here. And then I put all of the vegetables, the onions, the sweet potatoes and stuff like that in this one. And then I put the lettuce in here. I need to use this lettuce pretty soon because it's actually expired, but it still looks good. So I'm gonna use that really soon. But that is it. So it is all cleaned out. I have, ma'am, what are you doing?
I just get jello. I just get jello.
Anyway, so I have tons of dishes to clean. This should be easy to clean out now that I put the water in it. So I can just clean all that out, clean all these dishes out, and then that's pretty much it. I'm actually gonna start another vlog. It's gonna be a grocery haul. I'm gonna take everything out of the bags and then show you guys what my mom bought and then put them in the refrigerator. So if you're interested in a grocery haul, then make sure you watch the next video. Okay, oh, look at my hair. My scarf is going back. Y'all probably didn't see my bare edges. Whatever. Anyway, so that was my refrigerator cleanup. Like I said, it wasn't that dirty, so good. I didn't have to like put a lot of arm work into it. I did bust a little sweat, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying, but nothing major. But yeah, if you like more cleaning videos or decluttering or organization videos, I will have more. I find them actually kind of enjoyable, although I hate cleaning, but it's not bad. So yeah, it'll be more. I'm gonna get to the closet. I'm hesitating in doing that closet in my bathroom. It's atrocious. I have been putting it off for many months because I know it's just a lot I'm gonna have to do. So I was actually going to film it this past Friday, which was yesterday, but I ended up having to do some hauls for my fashion channel. So I'm gonna try to do it. I have to do it when my daughter's not here because there's no way I can focus. So I'm gonna try to do it within the next couple weeks. So just pray for me because I know it's a long time coming for that closet. But anyway, yeah, so thank you guys so much for coming back to our channel. We really appreciate you. Make sure that you turn on your post notification, your bell, and all that good stuff that they usually say, right? Anyway, if you are interested in my fashion channel, go ahead and click down the link below and watch me in my glory. As I am not like this. You will see me in a completely different way. But you know, here you just see little old me with no bra on. It is what it is, okay? Thank you guys so much and we appreciate you. Till next time, bye.